So there are some job alerts in India. So job alerts, that is especially in TCS, Wipro, Intel, and Google. So they are hiring in India. So in this COVID pandemic, in the situation also, there is a lot of opportunities. So in this COVID-19 pandemic has created a long-lasting impact on the job market across the world. So even though, so with having the disciplined technical background, there are job opportunities even in India. Skilled technicians having plenty of job opportunities in this country, especially in India. So if you see some of the job vacancies, especially in the TCS, so the position is customer analyst, that is a data scientist. So location Bangalore and Karnataka. So responsibilities: as a data scientist, you must be able to translate a business problem into a statistical problem and statistical solutions, so to avoid the viable business solutions. And required skills, especially they are focusing on 8 to 14 years of working experience with the preferably 5 years in a single domain at senior levels. And of course with good communication skills, they're expecting the background knowledge and especially ability to perform the statistical modeling using R and Python. That's the job requirement, especially in the Bangalore as a data scientist for the TCS. And if you see the second one, Wipro, so position senior software engineers, especially with NetIQ. So this is what they're expecting. Location Bangalore, Karnataka. Responsibilities: ability to work collaboratively with a diverse and multicultural team. Required skills: experience in the implementation and association of experience in implementation or support of novel, you can say NetIQ. Strong NetIQ and NAM domain knowledge is required. And third one, it's to say Google. Position is application engineering manager. So Hyderabad, Telangana is the location. So responsibilities: recruit and manage a team of application engineers to deliver high quality business. And the requirements, especially here, a bachelor's degree in computer science related fields or equivalent to practical experience. So 2 years of experience in a business application, including 5 years of experience in leading teams. So such kind of skills required. And so especially Intel system validation engineer. So location is in Bangalore, Karnataka. So responsibilities: create, define, and develops a system validation environment and test suites. And required skills, especially you can see the synthetic and OS content bring up in pre-silicon vehicles using SLE and FPGA. So with some of these kind of the requirement skills, so they're expecting the candidates to hire to fulfill these positions. So I will come up with the next videos with the further upcoming job vacancies. So please do subscribe my channel and write the comments, and don't forget to share with your friends, and most importantly, make your day a great day. Don't forget to write the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.